Welcome back to the channel, to all my loyal viewers and subscribers, and welcome to all the new viewers. Now in this video, we're going to talk about Vybz Kartel and the phone issue, and also Jamaica prison system. First thing we want to say about this matter, prison is not a 5-star hotel. GP and our Spanish Town never meant to be the Grand Palladium or Hilton Hotel where the Montego Bay. A prison. So when you go there, what you expect supposed to happen? You now get 5-star treatment. So this is for all of the youths them who decide say they want to go down the wrong path. These are the treatment we have to endure. So if you guys there in the media from the other day, you don't realize Vybz Kartel name, they're all over the media. Based on the fact say he was placed in solitary confinement. Based on the fact them find two cell phones on him cell block. The report no state that them find it in his person or on his person. However, them find it on the cell block. And being that it's Vybz Kartel cell block, them gonna attribute the phone to Vybz Kartel. Me for one not gonna behave naive. Like me not believe the Vybz Kartel have phone or some form of recording device in a prison. Vybz Kartel up on Instagram more than even people with the outside. So if him have the phone them and the correctional officer them find the phone on him block and then put him in a solitary confinement, me not see nothing wrong with that. Because what? You know the rules of the jail and you break it. So you have to face the penalty. We believe in that, you know. If you do the crime, then you do the time. So you know the relevant authorities that do them job and put Vybz Kartel in a solitary confinement, which is 23 hours in a cell and 1 hour out. And when the story they hit the media, it caused an uproar in a Jamaica society. Because you know Vybz Kartel, whether you like it or not, Vybz Kartel is well liked in a Jamaica culture. Most people may not agree with it, most law-abiding citizens may not agree with that, but that's just a fact. But with that said, we have a very unpopular opinion. We think Jamaica need a new prison. Because them shit all what we have done there, which is GP and over Spanish Town, what we call prison. That is nothing but a shithole. I know enough people not gonna agree with that opinion, but just hear me out. And right now, I'm not talk to the done stuff them in the back. I talk to the people who can reason. We have sense, we have understanding. But I want to know, what you guys think prison is made for? Or what you think of the purpose of a prison? To me, prison is for confinement and rehabilitation. And GP, now over Spanish Town, I think none of them two box there. Because a regular way prisoner escape. And not to mention rehabilitation. Because sometimes some man go in there for thief and when him come out, him start rob and kill people. It's more like a criminal's university. Where them go learn and offer better the trade of criminality. Some of you guys will look on this from a macro level and not a micro level. Just put your emotions aside and put what you feel aside and just use your brain and think for once. Because when the man them go to prison, you know, say a man go serve a 10-year prison sentence, he might come back out in a society. And if he's not rehabilitated, he might come back out, come do the same crime, or he might do even worse. No form of rehabilitation not take place in a GP in a Spanish Town. Because the man them just go in there and learn how to better commit crime. Come back out the road and do the same thing again, over and over. It's like a revolving door. It's a cycle. Go in, come out, go in, come out, go in, come out. Which don't make no sense. To be when a man go to prison one time for a petty offense or for any crime when he commit and come back on road, he's not supposed to want to go back in a prison. And having the prison nasty and dirty and unsafe, nah, deter them from go to prison. Because obviously them go back. You ever see some of them boy a yard? Some of them boy ever see them a criminal, you ever see them yard? None of them boy wear one underpants for 1 week. So a little dirty, little roach run up and down and rat run up and down, nah bother them. Because nastiness are what them used to. I was a police, you know, I'm go up on a whole lot of operation in the early morning day. And when you got some of them boy I will see them a bad man and see them a criminal yard. It's a disgrace. Riverton don't have nothing on it. So when you feel like say you have a big dirty prison and a big mess as I say a big shithole, and feel like say that I got deter them from our prison. That not work. You have to mentally make prison hard for them, mentally, so them no want to go there back. So you guys might ask, why is that the victims? How you make prison hard for them, man? You make it mentally hard to them by challenging their mind and make them work hard. By work hard, I mean, you ever see somebody Jamaica prison video them? If you never see the video them, just go up on YouTube, type in Jamaica prison video. And you see the liberty and the lifestyle where the man are living in prison. Them just wake, get up, bathe, put on new clothes, drink anything, smoke weed and all of them something there. But any prison in any first world country or any sensible country, any sensible society, and it's a prison work. It's either you go to school, or you go in the field go work, or you work somewhere, you make garment, you make license plate, you make something. Or you not just see man light around and I smoke weed out in the public like say out a roll him there. Keep party with big cake and KFC and all of them things there. And that's a prison work. You put them to work. And you have the minority, you know, where you decide to them not gonna do nothing. So you deal with them there differently. You segregate them one day from the one them who want to work with the program. If a man decides to not work with the program, well, you don't know, you have a different program for him. Different program for him because you not deal with the eyeglass. A rehabilitation you deal with. So when them come back out the road, them can be upstanding citizens. Yeah, some of them are gone too far already in a criminality when they're going to be able to come back, you know. I mean, understand that. But enough youth there would have want a chance. Make sure the art are going to the school, teach youth them a trade. Enough of the youth them never graduate school, high school. Make them can get a high school diploma or something. You have the man them in a jail just a waste pay time and I think of to commit crime. That's all them there in a jail. Jamaica jail are doing, you know. Jamaica prison should say in a do, you know. Think of a better them ways of committing crime and a plan and platform people out the door with the same phone where them a get from the correctional officer. Cause remember, you know, and I like say the prisoner them can get up and walk over the cell or down a floor, go buy a phone, you know. And the same one that them are carrying the phone give them. That is a different story what we even want to get in right now. Then them have GP each up on the corner down a south there. And we have so much land where they in Jamaica. Unused land where the government own, where them can build a state-of-the-art maximum security prison. We include all of the amenities when we say a while ago. And then you go put better security, include that a phone jammer, cell site jammer. So you defeat the purpose of them even having a phone. When them there in a prison, no cell service, so it makes sense you have a phone. So why you think them can't have no cell phone jammer right there, sir? Because it's right in the business district of downtown. The Bank of Jamaica there right there, sir. You have Digicel right there, sir. You have Grace right there, sir. So you can't have cell tower. You can't interrupt people business based on the fact that you have to jam up the cell tower right there, sir. Prison for there in a wasteland where them have the big old land where them can go farm. Who don't want farm, learn mechanic, electrical, plumbing or something. GP was built from in the 1800s, you know. GP was meant to hold slaves, you know. Same thing with over Spanish Town, you know. A slave quarters that, you know. So if the government not see the need for a new prison in Jamaica, but me know if them announce, say them are going to make a new prison, that's the next problem again. Because you have to build factory, you have to build this, and you have to build that. Yes, two things can be right at once. We need all of them work there. We need all of the business places them. We need a lot of jobs in the country. But guess what? We also need a prison too. Because crime not stop. Whether it be major crimes or minor crimes, crimes are gonna always continue. You know? In every society, from man live there, crime are gonna happen. And we need someone to put them. So it's not like say you can say, yo, no more prison. And when a man kill a man, what am I gonna do? What are you gonna do with him? Put him in your house? We need prison. So we need all of the workplace and we need all of the factories and everything, but we also need a prison and we need hospital, we need everything. Two things can be right at once. You may not see prison as a job creating opportunity, you know, but look at it from this level. If we make a new state-of-the-art prison, we're going to need personnel to man the prison so that at least an next 1,000 job created. We're going to need people to feed the prison. So we're going to order, they're going to have catering service. Because remember, you know, a people, normal citizens, if you check the jail them, a normal citizen supply the prisoner them or the jailer them with food. So that person now are gonna do it on a large scale. So they're gonna need people to work with them. So I just simple economics, you know. The trickle down effect, you know. And if you guys not see that, the prison them we have at Jamaica, which is like a criminal factory, or we say a criminal university, where just a spit out criminal just a make it's like criminal left and conveyor belt over there. Then again you have a man like Vybz Kartel in a prison for the murder where he commit. Where him should be, because if you commit the crime and you was convicted of the crime, you're supposed to go to prison for it. Me and one of them man that we are ball about free Addi. If Addi did want to be free, he wouldn't commit the crime. And most of the people in my ball about free. Addi did tell him say he want to be free. If he did want to be free, he would have stay away from certain things. He would even buy a gun in the first place. If him gun get missing. If him have to kill man. If him have to reach a prison. I didn't want to be free. He don't want him on freedom. So when I run about to talk about free, I didn't free this. I didn't want to be a prison. So him stay a prison. Right now when I talk about bigger than Vybz Kartel, I the whole system I talk about for overall. And when the British government did offer Jamaica the prison, we should have taken the prison. We can't, up to now, I still can't comprehend why the politicians them never take the prison. Not for the youth them where they are prison still can't get saved, you know. When I say saved, I mean Christianity. I mean them can turn them life around. Because enough time you go to prison for some things. Enough time them go to prison just to associate themselves with certain people. Them they are certain place at a certain time when certain things happen. Get themselves caught up in a certain things. So you have to have a system in place for those type of people. I'm not talking about the hardened criminal them where walk and kill people. I'm not talking about them one day. I'm talking about the unfortunate where some youth will get themselves in some unfortunate situation where they want to change and where they want to get better. They must have a 15-year sentence, and within that 15 years they can earn even a degree to a certain extent, or if I even associate or something, instead of their prison for 15 years a waste time. Sit down with some waste man just a waste time. You segregate them, you have maximum security prison and you have low risk prison. Jamaica can have that. Right now if you commit a traffic offense and the judge decides say yo, you're gonna spend a 90 day or a 60 day in a prison. You're gonna rub shoulders with man who kill 5 people and 6 people. How does that make sense? Everybody just mix up. You can't have it like that because the youths them are very impressionable, you know. And when them go in there, go mix with some of them real criminal, yeah, it only make matters worse. So Vybz Kartel and film situation, him sick them say him have grave disease and all of that is good. But if you have the phone them in which you know you have for true, and the man them decide say yo, solitary confinement, you have to just hold your thing. You have to just hold your crime, hold the punishment. And that with we as Jamaican. We don't like punishment and we don't like follow rule. But always complain anytime you say if you follow a rule, but when you reach a foreign, you conform, you wear your seat belt, you know, piss on the road, you know, do nothing like that. But when you're there at Jamaica, through you're there, you feel like say you can do any and everything. And that's how it works. And the last question we have for you guys, you know, we want a better society or just talk we talk? So that's just my 2 cents on the matter, you know. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. For foolishness me attack, you let me know in the comment section, see me. No bad blood. No opinion is a foolish opinion. And we over here, we have good conversation. So just let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you like this content, among other things. And like I always said, remember to hug your loved ones. See you in the next video.